Sunday, or whenever you're watching. We are actually in Jacksonville, Florida, and we're about to go to the beach, and I feel good. Even though I have this sweatshirt on, I was worried, but I feel like I wanted to be comfortable. So I said, you know what, I want to keep on my sweatshirt, and it actually feels good. It's like a good breeze, but it's hot, but it's not. Marcel is putting on his shoes right now, and then we're gonna go down to the beach and enjoy. Yeah, he had to change out of his tennis shoes and put on some flip-flops.
Sorry that we haven't been recording, or we didn't release anything last week. Last week was just a really busy week for myself. It was the last week of summer school, and we had my cousin's wedding.
Oh yeah.
So we had cousin's wedding, last week of summer school, and it was just too much. So we decided to take off last week, and now we're taking you all with us throughout Jacksonville. We're gonna be here for a couple days. Maybe we may extend the trip, but today all the thing we have really planned is the beach, maybe dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna try to go to the zoo, my pick, and Jamilah definitely wants to go shopping, her pick. But we're at the beach. It's really pretty. Y'all check it out. So check this out behind us. They actually have dunes out here, and during certain times of the year, they have sea turtles that come out and lay their eggs. So I think this is where it's supposed to be. I don't know. When we got to the hotel, I was like, Jamilah, let's go ahead and go to the beach. And she was like, no, it's gonna be raining. Because when we did get down here, it was raining a little bit. But I found a website that had a live action shot from the pier. And Jamilah was like, that ain't a real action shot. Jamilah about to get hit by this truck.
Everybody get hit by me.
But Jacksonville Beach is really nice. I really like Jacksonville Beach. What's your first impression so far?
It's cute.
It's different from like Panama or Miami, right?
Kind of. The water looks dark from here. Is it dark? Or it just looks like, ah! Oh, it's making my flesh crawl. I can't wait to put my feet in some water.
So y'all see Jamilah's new hairstyle? Believe it or not, I helped Jamilah the whole process of her hair. I didn't help her. No, I didn't. I did like a couple things, but I didn't really do too much.
Marcel, he helped me make one part. He parted my hair one time. Ah! I can't do this. Why does the sand feel so weird? It don't feel like the same sand as in.
Sand feel perfectly fine to me, y'all.
Your feet ain't in the sand. Look at his feet. He talking about something the sand feel good. He's not walking in the sand. I'm walking in it. Honey, if you would have felt that without your shoes, yeah, you know how you are about your feet. You would have been, oh my gosh, you would have ran to the water. But yeah, Marcel, he helped me put my hair in boiling water. He helped me part my hair. Anything else?
We go this way. This setup right here.
Dry it. So yeah, he helped. I'm chilling. It feels so good. And it sounds so great. Like being on the beach sounds like amazing. Hearing the waves. Marcel's about to go into the water. He's about to go out there. I'm about to go in too. But right now I'm just relaxing.
Yo, this water is so warm. It feels so good. I thought the water was gonna be freezing cold, but this water is actually warm. So I'm about to run back to the car to get my swim shorts. And I'm going to get in the water. Jamilah. Hey, why is the water so warm?
It's warm?
Yes.
Oh, I'm about to go out there now.
Yeah, let's get it.
I like this.
Ooh. Honey, I'm about to go regular on shorts.
It's coming out.
So I'm running to go get my sweat shorts. Left Jamilah behind. But the water felt too good not to get in the water. So I'm gonna go get them. And then I'll be right back. Yo, I'm so out of shape. Oh my gosh, I'm out of shape. Oh my gosh. And guess what? I left the keys. I swear I can't make this up. Oh my gosh. I'm not running back. Changed my mind. I'm running back. Oh my gosh.
You got them on?
Huh?
Did you put them on?
I forgot the keys.
Oh my, what in the
Jamilah, I was so
When?
tired. I was so tired.
Honey, just get in the water like that.
No, y'all. I can't get in the water like this.
Yes, you can. And then you can use the trunks for your underwear for the when we go out.
No.
Honey, do not go back out there.
I have like underwear under here and everything.
And that's fine. You act like you ain't never gotten in the pool with your underwear on.
We going back to the hotel to change before this?
It don't matter. I don't think you should run back out there.
Thank you. Y'all, I was so tired. So
Honey,
tired.
when I saw you running back and you had stopped, I said, oh, something.
You don't want to come back out there.
I'll come back. I ain't trying to get wet because I ain't got no change of clothes.
Right. Let me go jump in this water real quick.
Have fun, honey. Woo!
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and...
I told you the water came first. You're the...
Boy, the watch is okay. No matter how far we get back from the beach, it keeps getting pushed back further and further.
I had to catch this one with my foot.
Thank you.
Lord, honey, they're going in the trash.
How? It just need to dry. Why is the towel being wet need to go in the trash?
Everything need to go in the trash if I can't do nothing.
Oh, still works.
It still works?
Yeah. All right, y'all. So right now, about to leave the beach, about to go to Bahama Breeze. Can y'all believe they have a Bahama Breeze down here? Bahama Breeze is like our favorite restaurant to go to when we're traveling. They have several in Miami, they have several in Orlando, and they have one here in Jacksonville. We've never been to the one in Atlanta because Jamilah was like, nah, we don't want to take the fun out of it when we go out of town. But today was a cool day. About to go eat, and then are we gonna get in the pool when we get to the hotel?
Maybe.
Maybe. Pool closes at 10, so we're gonna try to make this quick.
Every time. But guess what? That was my first thing I looked up. When I saw the Florida sign, and I remember, cause I slept the whole trip here, but the first thing I looked up on my phone is Bahama Breeze. Do they have a Bahama Breeze? Is it in the vicinity of where we are? Honey, why I said like 64 minutes at first? When we were like far out, like right when we first made it into Florida. But yeah, we're headed to eat.
Ready to eat. Lower one, honey. You okay?
Yeah. You recording it?
Yes. Here. Why you ain't never been to the beach before? Blasted herself in the face. Made it to Bahama Breeze, Jamilah and I's favorite spot. So check it out. Jamilah,
I feel like we say our favorite spot every place we go.
we have favorite spots. So when we're in Florida, definitely Bahama Breeze. I'm going to get the Taste of Jamaica, and Jamilah's going to get the Caribbean style lobster mac and cheese.
Yeah.
So in about 10 minutes, they're gonna have 50% off appetizers.
50% off drinks, 50% off appetizers.
So we're gonna wait about 10 more minutes. Jamila's thinking about getting some firecracker shrimp. What else?
And the jerk chicken wings.
The jerk chicken wing. I may let her have that. My food comes with jerk chicken.
Yeah, and I always do want some of yours, but I don't even want to ask because you don't have them a lot. You only have like 2 pieces.
Sure. So we about to run up a bill, go to the house,
And that's it.
go to the hotel, and then after that, call it a night. Made it back to the room.
No.
Just want to give you all a quick.
No.
Jamila wants to do the room tour, but I'm not gonna allow her to do it.
No.
Stop, Jamila.
Give me the. Give
No,
it.
I'm doing it.
No, I'm doing it. I said I was doing
I'm
it.
doing the room tour.
No, I'm doing
So
it.
what you see?
No. I'm doing it. Okay.
You get on my nerves.
Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So, you come inside the door, and immediately to your left is a closet. Right now, we are drying our beach towel, which actually should be in there somewhere, but Marcel doesn't listen. But yeah, we have our closet. Immediately to the right is your bathroom. So here you have the bathroom. Have a tub. We're drying some clothes. We have a big mirror. Hi. And we already have some of our stuff already out on the counters. It also came with this cute little mirror. Kind of cute, right? Hi. But yeah, so this is the bathroom. Then once you leave out of the bathroom, you have your room. So here's a little like seating area here. Then you come in a little further, you have a little chair here with a little table. And then you have two nightstands with the king size bed, TV, vent, and a desk that I've turned into my makeup corner.
As always.
Where Marcel is standing, we actually have a full length mirror.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do like that we have like 2 windows in the room. Oh, and here's another mirror. But that's the room tour.
Alright, so what we're about to do now is take you around the hotel. We're going to show you the lobby, and then we're going to show you the pool.
That Marcel mentioned earlier. I was telling Marcel it looks kind of cloudy, but it's actually heated, so that's why it looks cloudy-ish. I don't know if so someone swam under here for the tunnel?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it. But I guess there's a tunnel there that leads to the outside pool.
Alright, y'all. We appreciate you all for watching. Isn't this so nice right here? We appreciate you all for watching. Day 2 Jacksonville is going to be coming up soon. Thanks for watching. God bless. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel. Any last words?
Thanks for watching. Have a good night if you're watching this at night. We're about to go to the room, chill, and get ready for tomorrow. See you guys later.